Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn the mandala art form. So mandala art is basically a very unique art form. It is also used in rangolis or in the mehendi form as well, but here we'll go for in our drawing sheet. So here I have drawn 4 circles. You can choose a sketch pen or a pencil so that it won't get destroyed, obviously. So it is very unique thing, so we need to be focused. Here is our complete design. Here we will learn how to draw the star-like shape. So you need to draw it 13 corners like this and 26 semicircles with alternate straight lines in each semicircle which they are ending. So these straight line is to be connected with the outer and internally an outer thing. So here it is ready. Now you need to be very focused so you can't miss anything. In the middle we'll draw a star with 4 lines and we'll give a shape of star-like thing, and I'll suggest you to do designing part or the shading part according to yourself. It's a creativity, but I will suggest you to follow these video instructions so it is more beautiful. In this video, we will learn how to draw 6 circles. So firstly, we need to draw 6 circles so that we can do our creativity inside those circles. And we'll go for the first circle. Then we'll go for the second circle. It's like a sunflower thing. And after that, we'll go for the third circle, which we are doing like a rose petal thing. And then the fourth circle, which is like strips, you can say, which will be colored like this black. And in the fifth circle we'll go for the stars. So I am counting these stars, it should be 12. And then we'll go for the last thing, it is called spikes. So here the spikes is more looking like a Beyblade thing, but it's looking so cool, so you can draw it in your drawing book and it's looking good. Here we will learn how to draw the mandala art, but we'll go for the 4 circles first. So firstly we'll need to draw 4 circles. Then in the first circle we'll draw 8 triangle like the shape and 4 lines, and we'll draw a little kite shape here. Then we'll go for this design which is like a star, and we'll do the designing part in that double lining. Then in the very outer part we'll go for this sharp petal design. So this is the sharp petal design you can see here, and then we'll go for this flower thing. It is completed. Thank you for watching our video.